In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to build a mailing list in Squarespace. The first thing you will need to do is navigate to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, you'll want to find and click on the Email Campaigns feature, which can be located in the left corner of the interface. After clicking on Email Campaigns, your next step will be to create the mailing list. This can be accomplished by clicking on Create a Mailing List, which should be found in the menu. Once you select it, look for and click on the Create Mailing List button. You may also see a plus icon next to the Create Mailing List button. It serves the same purpose. After you've clicked that, a field will appear for you to give your mailing list a unique name. Type in any name you want for your new mailing list. After you've finished, make sure to click on Save to keep all the changes you've just made. Next, navigate back to the home page by clicking on Home. Then start editing your site by selecting Edit Site. Once you're in the editing mode, the next step is to add a section by clicking on it. An empty box should appear, allowing you to add a block to the section. Proceed by clicking on ADD Block. In the list of blocks, locate and select Newsletter. Now it's time to tailor your newsletter to your liking. Start by clicking on the pencil icon, which allows you to access the editing features. Then navigate to Storage, located in the Settings sidebar, and click on it. Under Storage, you should find an option named Squarespace. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the mailing list you created earlier. In the last stages of this process, finally click on Design. Here, you have the power to change the layout of the newsletter as per your preference. Not only that, you can also choose to customize the form's title and description under the Content tab. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, don't forget one crucial step: saving. Simply click Save in the top left corner to keep all the changes. And remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best for you.